In this lesson, we are going to learn about measures of central tendency and dispersion. And one of them is the mean or the average, where you actually add up all the values and then divide by how many they are, and then you would be able to get the mean. Let's also look at the median as a measure of the central tendency, which is usually referred to as the middle value. If you rank your values from the lowest to the highest, and then you pick the median value or the value at the middle. In this case, we have an even set of numbers, so we are taking the two median values and dividing by 2, which is still 20. Okay, then we have the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in a set of values. If we go back to our earlier example, for example, what is the mode in this aspect? We can see 15 is appearing most among all the other values. So 15 here is our mode. Let's also talk about measures of dispersion from the mean. And one of such measures is the range. Range is just the maximum minus the minimum. If we again go back to our earlier example, we need to rank this from the lowest to the highest, and then look at the range. 36 minus 15 will give us our range. Embedded or related to that is the interquartile range, where we actually divide the distribution into 3 quartiles, and then we take the median value of quartile 3 minus the median value for quartile 1. That gives us the range. Okay, let's go on to, we are still talking about measures of dispersion. And one such value is the variance from the mean, which is actually calculated in the formula for the standard deviation. What you actually do, you subtract each of the values from the median divided by how many there are subtracted from 1, and then you square that up. When you square that up, you get what we call the variance. And the square root of the variance is what we refer to as the standard deviation.